Welcome back to CIEgroup.com. I'm Chris, and today we're taking a first look at 2N's brand new Indoor Compact, 2N's latest option from their range of intercom answering units. As its name suggests, this latest compact version is smaller than the Indoor Touch and the Indoor Talk, with a 4.3-inch display screen, and with a reduced feature set, the 2N Indoor Compact offers a great cost-saving option where budget is key. Ideal for use as part of an IP connected intercom or door entry system, particularly in residential applications such as apartments or MDUs. The 2N Indoor Compact easily connects to the network for communication with 2N's full range of IP intercom devices, such as the Verso and the Force and the IP base. Unlike its bigger brother, the Indoor Touch, the lower cost Compact doesn't feature a touch screen, but is controlled using these clear icon-based touch buttons to answer and end calls from a door intercom, and a series of navigation buttons to the left and right of the screen. The device features toughened glass, so it's well protected and scratch resistant, and is flush mountable using the same universal backbox as the 2N Indoor Talk. And 2N tells us the same backbox to be used in all future intercom answering devices. The 2N Indoor Compact features an input for doorbell connection, an output for integration of an induction loop system to assist users with hearing impairment who are using a hearing aid. And as with all 2N IP devices, the Indoor Compact can be powered via PoE or 12-volt DC power supply. Available now from CIEgroup.com, the 2N Indoor Compact is an ideal solution for residential intercom systems where budget is a key consideration, but style and quality cannot be compromised.